I tell other people that you can see 1,100, the number on a piece of paper, but it becomes more real when you get to an event like here we have at UTC today and see the sheer number of all the bags. It was shocking to me the first time I ever saw this event before I was hired for Active Minds, and it really puts a visual image as to these weren't just 1,100 backpacks, these are 1,100 people we're losing every year.
I feel like we shouldn't be silent about it. We should get the word out and try to just be there for people.
I wish more people would realize that there are other options, you know, and that this isn't the answer.
It's just about raising awareness related to mental health issues and suicide and getting a conversation started. That way people who need help will get help, and those who think they know somebody who needs help will be willing to have a conversation with them.
It's a good thing to make people stop and look and think about things.